Okay, we'll solve this, students. And did you all get your pattern? This exam pattern? First term.
So ma'am told us before only, sir.
He told us.
Okay, Mariana had sent. Let me check. You all have you all taken it down?
So no, sir, I remember the pattern, so I didn't take it down.
15 marks. Okay, take a screenshot of this, all of you all. You'll have this.
Sir, I have it.
Okay, if not, take a screenshot. Okay, MCQ 15 marks. After that, question 2, you'll have 4 marks each, 3 questions, and 4, 4, and 5. You'll get construction. That is for section A is for 40 marks, and section B there are 6 mains, right? 6 or 7. How many mains you'll have to attempt in that? How many mains? 4. Out of 7, you'll have to attempt any 4. And that you'll know, right? How to attempt 4 mains?
Yes, sir.
The complete 4 mains. You can't take 4. You can't skip any question, and you can't choose another question from 5th main. Choose any 4 main and complete all 3 questions. Each main you'll have 3 questions. So you'll have to do all 3. Okay, we'll start solving this. What's the first answer, students? Which chapter is this?
Exponents, sir.
Exponents. There is multiplication in between. So which law do we apply for multiplication?
The product law.
Product law. And the base is same. So take base common. For product law, we add m plus n. What's the option? Which one?
Yes, sir.
Sir, a to the power of m plus n.
Sir, a to the power of mn, sir.
Yeah, m plus n. And not mn. M into, it's not m into n, Adya. M
Sir,
plus n.
So n plus n, sir.
Okay, option B. Look here, even m into n is also given. Don't get confused. You have to add the powers. Next question. Find the square root of 324. What's the square root of 324? What's the square root?
17, sir.
17. No. 17 into 17 is 289.
Sorry, sir.
18, sir.
So
Okay,
it's 18, sir.
I'll give you a hint, students. I'll give you a hint. Always MCQ question. It's very simple. In most of the MCQ question, we use option. Can you see 16, 17, 18, 19 given? 4 values.
Yes,
Just take those values and square. Is it difficult? 16 into 16 or 18 into 18? What is 18 into 18?
324.
320. So there are 2 methods. If you want to find the factors like this, 324. If not, take the options, because we know out of these 4 options, any one is the answer. Mute the call. Akansha,
But
mute the call.
the last digit is 4, sir. 4 is an
Correct.
even number, so even thing only will come. So like 16 or 18.
Yeah. No, one more thing. 8 eights are what you get. Last number. 8 eights are.
So
What do
8
you
is
get?
64.
4. Can you see 4 in the last? 4 in the last.
Yes, sir.
Can you see in the question 324?
Yes, sir.
So even that you can check like that. But if they give you all any other question like 28 into 28, 8 eights are, even for this you get 64, right?
So yes, sir.
So better first memorize 1 to 20 squares. I've been telling you all this, but nobody answered. You'll have to be quick. 324 square root is 18. You can even check like this. The last digit is 4. Even here it is 4. Okay. Next question. What percent? 45 is 45 is what percent of 54? Okay. What are we supposed to find here? Find what?
Percent.
Percentage. For percentage, what is required? Numerator by denominator into 100%. Right? Numerator by denominator into 100%. This is the formula we use to find percentage of any value. We need a numerator. What's the numerator here?
So 45.
45. Divided by denominator 54 into 100%. Okay, this is nothing but 45 is 45 out of 54. This is what the question is. 45 out of 54. For example, you have scored 45 marks out of 54. How do you write that? 44 divided by 54. That is the fraction. Multiply by 100%. See, this question is a bit calculative.
So we get 83 1/3%.
83 1 by 3. All of you are solving it? Adya, Diyeshri, Mariam?
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir.
83 1 by 3. Reduce this. 5, 9 5s are 9 6s are.
Yes.
Then 5 into 100 is 500. 500 divided by 6. What's the answer? 48? Sorry, 83?
So 1/3.
Or 83 1 by 3%.
Yes, sir. 83 1/3.
Okay, the fourth, fifth, that is different chapter. Fourth, fifth, and algebraic expression which contains even sixth you all don't have. But let me try the sixth one. An algebraic expression which has two different terms. What do we call that? If it has two terms,
So binomial.
binomial.
So binomial.
Binomial. Two is for binomial. Monomial is one. But you don't have this, students. Answer is binomial. This chapter you don't have. Or the resultant. Okay, try the next one. Try the next one. X plus 5 into x minus 3. Look here. Is it in the form of a plus b and a minus b? Is it like a plus b?
Yes, sir.
No. Check properly.
So no.
Are the values?
So the values are different.
So
Values
the
are
values are different, sir.
A is same, but B is different. Can we use A plus B here or A minus B?
No, sir.
So no.
So we can't use. Then normal multiplication. Just multiply this. Take X. Try this. So only when there is A plus B and A minus B, you can use A square minus B square.
Good answer.
This is seventh question. Take X outside, X minus 3 in bracket. Then plus 5 outside, X minus 3.
Done, sir.
I don't know why they've given such a lengthy question for 1 mark. X square, what do you get? X square.
So x square minus 3x minus 5x minus 15.
Plus 15 or minus?
So minus 15.
Minus 15. These two are like terms. What do you get?
So we get
So x square plus 2x minus 15.
Okay. X square, where minus 15? It's an option A and option C. Right? And can you see here plus 2x and minus 2x? So what's the answer? Is it plus 2x or minus 2x? Which is greater?
2.
It's not minus.
Plus
So plus.
Which one is greater, Adya? 3x or 5x? Which is greater?
Sir, 5x, sir. That's
Yeah, so plus. So yeah, this is what makes the difference. In spite of solving so much, if you'll go wrong with plus and minus, you lose 1 mark. Okay. So this is one disadvantage of MCQ question. In spite of solving so much, you go wrong in plus and minus, you have to lose the entire 1 mark. Try the next one. The answer is A. X square plus 2x minus 15. What is additive inverse? What is additive inverse?
So we changed the sign, the question.
Additive inverse, and what's the other one? Multiplicative
Multiplicative.
inverse. Okay, for additive inverse, what do? We only change the sign.
Sign.
sir.
For multiplicative inverse, what does this?
We reciprocate.
So we reciprocate.
So if it is minus 5 by 2, what's the answer for multiplicative inverse?
Minus 3 by
Okay,
minus
remember
2 by
this trick. Multiplication x symbol. 5 goes down, minus as it is in the numerator, 2 goes top. What is this? Multiplicative inverse. Okay, in exam they might ask multiplicative or additive. What's the answer for this? Additive inverse, what's the answer? Additive inverse of 0. What is additive inverse? Positive 0, minus 0.
So minus
0
0.
doesn't, yeah, 0 doesn't have plus and minus. It is always 0. 0 is neutral, students. To confuse you all, they've given even the option none of these. It is wrong. The answer is B or D. What's the answer? Who told minus? 0 is neutral.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
When nothing, 0 is nothing, just empty hands. How will you have plus 0 and minus 0? It's neutral.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay, next, the division of 3 by 1 by 3. Try this. What should I write instead of by? Which symbol?
Division.
Division symbol.
The answer.
Okay, what's the answer?
9.
So 9.
9 is the answer, sir.
Yes. So division becomes multiplication.
Multiplication
And 1 by 3?
3 by
Rest it.
1.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Which
3
is
by 1. Yeah, 1 doesn't make any difference in the denominator. So 3 3s are 9. 9 by 1 and 9, both are same, students. Don't get confused. The answer is 9. Option A. Next, a quadrilateral in which two pair. Okay, this is quadrilateral. I'll make you all revise that and do it later. Try the next one. A closed figure. Skip that. Skip 10th, 11th. Okay, try the 12th one we did in construction. If the pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral equal, what do we call? Opposite.
So parallelogram.
Parallelogram, sir.
Correct.
parallelogram.
Okay. Can you see the word equal and parallel given? Parallel?
So yes, sir.
Yeah. So if it's not parallel,
Good evening, sir.
yeah, good evening, Joanna. Why are you late?
The network issues.
Okay, fine. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
This question paper I have sent in the group, previous year's question. Okay, so we are in the 14th question. All of you will try the 14th one. 4xy square. From which chapter is this?
So algebraic expression.
Okay, you all don't have algebraic
So we
expression.
don't have.
Identities, sir. Exponents, sir.
Subtraction. In exponents, you don't have this. This is algebraic expression, Akansha. For this exam, you all don't have this. Next, try this one. Dividend. Dividend is equals to quotient multiplied by what plus remainder is the question. What's the answer?
Quotient multiplied by divided.
Multiply. That's the question. That's the question. What's the answer?
So divide us.
Okay. What are we supposed to write inside? What is inside? Dividend. Right? Outside?
Divisor, sir. Divisor.
Divisor.
Divisor and
Top, what do we write?
So quotient.
Quotient. And bottom, last one,
So
Reminder.
remainder, right? Okay. Now, how do we write the answer? Quotient. What do you get? Quotient, remainder,
Reminder by divisor.
divisor is what? Quotient, remainder by divisor is
dividend.
dividend, right? Let me write it properly.
So is it divisor?
No, this question is different, students. I don't know in which chapter. Some basic question that given. Okay, what is dividend? The inside one. What's inside one actually? How do we start? We start from quotient, remainder by
Reminder by
dividend.
divisor.
Look here, I'll write like this: Q multiplied by what? R divided by.
Are divided by divisor.
Okay, now what have they asked here?
So dividend is equals to quotient multiplied by.
No, but this was just a minute. I'll check. Dividend is equals to quotient.
So this is an algebraic expression.
No, quotient by 2 so 4 is 8 divided by 1. So 9 is equals to 4 into 2 plus 1. Okay, I'll teach you like this.
So but we don't have this, right? So
It's not there.
Yes,
So you can
no.
cancel. Now, what if they give this is basic question, students? It's not there in any of the chapters.
So
What if they
they're
give
in algebraic expressions.
They're in algebraic
an
expressions.
algebraic
So
expression?
you
Okay.
thought was this one.
Then you all can skip this. If it's not there, you can skip. Try the next one. Okay, but still, shall I just tell you all how to do this? Or shall we
So
skip
yeah,
this? Look here, 9 divided by 2. What do you get? 2 4s are 8.
So 8 and remainder 1.
Okay, what is 9? 9 is equals to what? 4. What do you get? 4 1 by 2, right?
1 by 2. Yes, sir.
Okay, when you multiply this, 4 2s are 8 plus.
So plus 1 gives 9.
Okay, 4 2s are 8 plus 1. What did we add? 4 into 2. What is 4, students? What is 4 here? Quotient. And what is 2?
So
Divisor. So what's the answer for dividend? Quotient into what?
Quotient into divisor plus remainder.
Divisor plus remainder. This is in first chapter, right? There's a formula, direct formula there.
It's there in algebraic expressions.
Okay, skip this. Yeah, just skip this. There's one line of formula given. Okay, second main. Try the second main. Which chapter is this? Question 2, first one. Which chapter?
Rational numbers, sir.
Okay, 5 by 9 plus 3 by minus 4. There are two signs. So how do you write the question first?
So 5 by 9 minus 3 by 4.
Yes. Plus into minus is minus 3 by 4. Take LCM and try this. Next question. Okay, when next question is from evaluation. Yeah, Diyashri, answer this. What's the LCM you get?
Sir, I got LCM. I got it as 36.
Okay. 36 then?
So then 4 nines are 36.
Multiply like this.
36. Yes, sir. And after that, 4 fives are 20. So 20 minus 27. We get it as minus 7 by 36.
Correct. All of you all 20 minus 27, which is greater, 20 or 27?
So 27.
So,
Yeah, 27 is greater, so minus sign. 27 minus 20 is 7 by 36.
Minus 7 by
Minus 7 by 36, sir.
Okay. So this is 2 marks question. You will have two marker question. Try the next one. This is second main first question. Answer is minus 7 by 36. This is 80 marks students and the pattern. Okay, almost I went through somewhere around six chapters are same, 6 or 7. When 7 chapters, it's almost same. So with this pattern, if you're thorough with this pattern, you can score easily 40 marks. Out of 80, you can easily score 40 if you do all these questions. Try the next question. 3 by 7. Akansha, how do we solve this?
Yes, sir. So first
Quest-
we take LCM, sir.
First main, second question. It's question to this one. Okay, first there are two signs, right? Whenever we have two signs, convert into one. What do you get?
1 second. Can I do it and say the answer, sir?
No, first step. Tell me the first step.
So minus 4 by 9 minus 11 by 7. And then we take LCM, sir.
If you want, you'll take LCM. If not, can you see 7 and 7 are same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even you can arrange and do. But according to me, if you arrange, you'll go wrong in plus and minus students. So better take LCM. Take LCM and try this.
So done, sir.
Sir, done, sir.
Yeah, I'll ask
Done,
one
sir.
by one. Yeah, this Akansha will explain this. Next we have, yeah, what is it?
So yes, sir. 7 multiplied. So we get the LCM as 49, sir.
LCM outcome 49, 7, 9 and 7.
7, sir. 7 ones are 7 and 7 and 9 into 9. So 7 into 9 is. Oh, no.
7, 9.
No. So 1 second.
Do it properly, Akansha. Don't be in a hurry. 7 9s are 63.
60. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. 7 9s are 63 and then 7 into
Okay,
9
multiply.
and 3 into 9. 9 into 7 and 4 into 7. Again 7 into 9 and 9 into 9.
Correct. Next, 3 9s are 27 minus
27 minus 28 minus 99.
okay 99. Only this one is positive, student. This is positive. So keep this aside. Minus into minus. First solve this. Minus into minus is what?
Plus the
Plus. So 28 plus 99.
28 plus
Just keep this as 100. 100 plus 28 is 128. Minus 1 is 127.
7. Yes, sir.
Minus 127, right?
127. So
Okay. Then again,
yes,
27
sir.
minus 127 is minus 100 by 63.
100 by 63. So minus 100.
And minus 127 is greater, so minus 100 by 63. Others, did you get the answer? Minus 100 by 63?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
is it
sir.
wrong? Okay. Let me check. 27 minus 28, 99. So 100, 128, 127, minus 27, 100, minus 100 by 63. Okay, next, second main. Try that. Shall I erase this? Done? How many marks paper is this? 80. Okay, can you all see the second main according to this? How many marks question? Can you see this?
So 12 marks, sir.
12 marks.
Totally
There are 3 questions. Each question carries how many marks?
So 2 marks, sir.
4 marks. Yeah, that is what they have given, mentioned here. Can you see this?
So yes, sir.
We are in section 2. Look at section 2. 3 questions, 4 marks. So you'll get questions like that. Okay, so second main, there's no construction. Might not get construction in second main. And next, what is given here? By splitting into prime factor method, Find the square root of what? 194481. How do you find square root? Using which method?
So prime factor. It's a factorizer.
Yes, factorize this. And Adya will answer this. All of you all should try. By splitting into prime factor, find the square root. So first write like this: square root of 194481 and factorize this.
So done, sir.
Fine, Tanishka.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So today till when is the class?
What's the time? 5 till 5:30.
So okay, sir.
Whichever we can, we'll finish. I think only 2 mains are possible.
So what about sets, sir?
Whatever.
So sets chapter, you're not continuing it, sir.
No, sets. We'll do it tomorrow, Tanishka.
Oh, okay, sir.
Studying so much, you'll have to revise, right? And you have to know what kind of questions they give.
So yes, sir.
We just keep studying, that won't work out. Today I couldn't conduct test. Instead of that, I'm making you all solve these questions.
Yes, sir. So,
Yeah, consider this like test and try this. And Adya will explain.
you'll, you, can you, so can you make a revise about the special types of quadrilaterals, sir?
Which one?
Quadrilaterals, or special types of quadrilaterals.
Yeah, that I think sets by tomorrow, Tuesday, we have to finish. Wednesday, Thursday, only 2 days.
Tomorrow, if you want to extend the class, extend if we want to join all these, we can join, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Akansha.
So that we can even do special types of quadrilaterals.
Yeah, 5:30 to 7. Or from 5:15 to 6:45 or 7, I'll come. We'll do one thing. I'll finish one chapter from SH and revision. Shall we do like that for another 4 days?
So yes, sir.
Yeah, there's no time, students. If maths was on Monday or Wednesday, Monday was holiday. If it was Tuesday, we could have had another 3 days.
So done, sir. Can I explain?
Okay. Yeah, explain this, Adya.
Yes, sir. So first we have to take 3, sir, because the number is divisible by 3.
Okay.
So 3, 6, 4, 8, 2, 7, sir.
6 are 18, 3. How come? Okay, 3 4s are 12. 3 8. Then?
And then 27, sir. 27.
27. Okay, 6 4 2 8. So next, 3 into?
Then 3 into 2, 1, 6, 0, 9, sir.
Good. 6. And here, did you all understand this? How we got for 27 9? 0 9?
So yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Adya,
So
what's
yes,
the
sir. After that, we get it as 3 into 7203, sir.
7203. Good. Next.
So then 3 into 240, sir.
7. No, how come 240? 3 2s are 6 1. 3 4 0 1, right?
So sorry, sir. I wrote 1, sir, but it's in the side, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
2 is 401. So then 7 into 343, sir, because it's not divisible by 3 anymore, sir.
It's not divisible by 3. 7 into 343. All of you all, did you use 7 times table here to reduce? Okay, 7 into 343. Next, 7
So
into?
then 7 into 49 and then 7 into 7. Then 7 ones are, sir.
7 into 1. And write all this. Well, look here, student. Keep this square root as it is. Write all the values inside. 3 into 3. Fill everything. Okay, I'll just pair this. 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. Right? So how do you pair this for square root? How many
So
numbers?
then we get as 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, sir. Because
No,
we
first
take
tell me how many numbers are there? How many numbers we group?
So there is. So there is 4 3s, so we'll group it into 2, sir,
Yeah,
and
two.
4 7s, sir. So 2, 2, 2, and 2, sir.
Right.
So then
So
3
15.
into 3 into 7 into 7, sir, which is equal to 9 into 49, sir,
Correct. 9 into 49.
which is equal to 441, sir.
Good. All of you all got 441?
Yes, sir.
441. Such a big question. They have given only for 2 marks or 3 marks question, I guess. Next question. Second main B. What is given? Find the square of. What's the next one?
15, sir.
15. Shall I erase this? This question?
Yes,
All of
sir.
done? Okay. What's the square of 15? What do you mean by square? How many times you have to multiply?
So 15 is multiplied 2 times.
Twice. So you have to find the square. Multiply by twice. 15 into 15 is
So 225.
225. I think this is for 1 mark. The previous question was 3 and this is for 1. Okay, next question done. All of you all, shall we move on to the next one? Okay, evaluate is which chapter? Second main, third question is from which chapter?
So
Algebraic expression. Evaluate A, B, X. Okay, we'll skip that. How much bigger is, do you have the chapter? Algebraic expression.
Yes, sir. So no, sir.
Yes, sir. So,
For exam, do we have that?
no, sir.
No, sir.
From algebra, you'll have only exponents and what else? Yesterday we did the chapter. Okay,
So we
third
have
main.
identities from algebra, no, sir?
Identities, correct. Exponents and identities. No, exponents is also arithmetic. Identities. Fine. Third main. Calculate the sum of angles with 10 sides. Is it possible? Okay, all this is, which chapter is this? Third main.
So understanding shapes.
Understanding shapes. We'll do it later, or yeah, once we finish that. And even this we'll do it later. Try this question. An auctioneer charges 8%. Remember this question? You'll remember?
Yes, sir.
8% for selling a house. If the house is sold for. So what is the selling price? What is the selling price?
So 2,30,500.
500.
Why are you shouting, Tanishka? Who's that?
So I told 2,30,500. So I didn't scream.
Okay, 2,30,500. So what are we supposed to find here? Selling price is 2,30,000. Find what?
Find the charges of the auctioneer.
Find charges of the auctioneer. Oh, so what is the charges given here? Charge
So 8%.
8%
8%,
of
sir.
8%,
8%
sir.
of
8% of selling
selling.
price.
So charge is 8%. Out of 2,35,000, the auctioneer takes 8%. So how do you write 8% in fraction 8 divided by
So 8 divided by 100 into 2,30,500, sir.
500?
1,100.
So done, sir.
So done, sir.
Okay, so go through even this question. Charges, selling price. Okay, selling price is 2,30,000. Out of this, some part of fraction is taken by charge the auctioneer. That is 8 divided by 100. So two zeros you cancel. Multiply 8 into
8 into 305, sir.
230. What's the answer?
So 18.
So I got it as 18,440, sir.
18,440. Yeah, there's a lot of disturbance. Is it from Tanishka? Tanishka
So
side.
no, sir.
Tanishka or Akansha?
So no, sir. I'm in a room, so there's no disturbance.
So no
from
one
my
is at my house, sir.
Then who's screaming?
So I don't know, sir. I'm alone at here.
Okay,
Excuse
mute.
me, sir.
Is it from Adya's side? Yashri?
Sir, mine only, sir. My audio, I
Sir,
forgot to
even
mute.
it's not
Okay,
mine, sir.
sit separate. Yeah, sit alone and attend the class,
Sir,
DSP.
it's my audio, sir. It's my audio, sir. I forgot to mute it. Sorry.
18,440. And why are you not answering? Are you playing with kids, DSP?
No, sir. I was doing the sum.
Your call is on. Your call is unmuted, but you're not answering. Is Mariam doing solving these questions? Okay, next question. In an examination and failed by 15. The passing. Okay, that I didn't teach all. We'll do that later. Try the fourth main, section B. Shall we move on to section B?
Yes.
Okay, another 15 minutes. Try section B first, main students. First, which chapter is that? Question 4,
So exponential.
exponents. What's the question?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you give me 2 minutes and just be back?
One break.
Not break, sir.
Okay, get back soon, Akansha. Just 1 hour class. Okay, try this question. You might get such question. Exponents. Two by 3 minus 4 into 27 by 8 minus 2.
Done.
Did you all copy the question? 2 by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 27 by 8 minus 2. Okay, Tanishka should answer this.
So okay, sir.
All of you will try. What type is this? The powers. Can you see the powers?
So natural numbers, sir.
No, powers. Apart from that, what are the other things?
Negative power, sir.
Correct. Negative powers. So you have to reciprocate the base. When the powers are negative, reciprocate the base. Then use power law.
Sir.
Yes.
So can you first
First, want me to do this?
no, so multi
What's the first step? If it's minus, you have to reciprocate what?
sir, we
Akansha?
reciprocate the bases, sir. After reciprocating the bases, we get 3 by 2 multiplied by 8 by 27.
Better write like this. Open the bracket and write 3, 4, 2 to the power of 4 into
Into 8 to the power of 4 divided by
why
27
4?
to the power of 4.
8
Sorry,
square,
2, sir.
not 4.
So sorry, sir, I got confused. 2, sir.
Then split everything. Or just
Yes, sir.
multiply 3 into 4. Write the values here.
81 by...
Till here, everyone can do till here, student. The main thing is calculation part. Whenever you have values like 27, don't multiply 27 into 27. Just write 27 into 27. Don't multiply this. And 8 square, just write as it is. Okay, Tanishka, now you can tell. 3 into 4, 3 to the power of 4.
So we multiply 3 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into
What do you
3.
get? Correct.
So I didn't multiply. So
Okay, didn't multiply. Fine, let me write it like this. 3 into 3, 3 into 3.
so and in the denominator we multiply 2 4 times. So
2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, instead of this
cancel.
3 into 3, can I write 9 into 9? Can I pair and
Yes.
write 9 into 9? All of you look at the screen, 9 into 9. I'll write this as 9 into 9.
So I did like
This,
that only, sir.
good. I've told you have to split into two numbers. This, what should I write this as?
So
4 into?
4.
Okay, 4 into 4. Or you can write 4 4s as 64. Shall I write directly 64?
So yes. So
Because look, students, 2, 3 are small values. So you can directly write if you have like this, then start reducing. Reduce this with 27 and 64 with 8.
We can like do it like this, no, sir, instead of writing 3 into 3 into 3 into 3.
You can do it like this.
I cancelled it and I did it again in the thing, sir. Like
No, you can do it. The thing is, look, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. You write 81, you'll get confused which table to cancel, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so only told you, split the values 9 into 9. Now it's easy to cancel. 9 1s are 9 3s are. Then again 9 1s are 9 3s are. Then this side, how many values gets cancelled?
excuse me, sir. So how
Yes.
is it 64? So
Sorry, 16.
so it's
2 to the,
16.
correct.
I
2 to
got
the,
it as 4 by 9.
it's not 64, it's 16. Did you all copy as 64?
So
No, sir,
no,
16,
sir.
sir.
I got confused for a minute.
Okay, 16. 2 to the power of 4 is 16.
Sir, is it 4 by 9, sir?
Okay, 8 1s are 8 2s are, then 2 1s are 2 4s are. 4 by 9 is the answer.
Yes.
All of you, did you all get 4 by 9? Adia, Joanna, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Diyashri left the meeting.
No, sir, I'm there, sir. I told you. I'm done with it.
Unmute and answer. Okay, next question. What is the next one? Can someone read out the next question? 7 into 7x.
So 7x to the power of 0. So bracket 7x to the power of 0, close bracket, and 2, sir.
Just a minute. Not that clear. 7x to the power of 6 or 0? Oh, it is 0.
So to the power of 0, sir.
Yes. What's the answer for this student? 7x to the power of 0 into?
Into 2, sir.
Okay, this 0 belongs to only x or 7 as well?
So
0.
only x. So
Only x. What about 2?
so for both x and 7.
Okay. So first split the values, right? 7 square x 2 into 0. What's the final
So
answer?
we get 49. So
So 49.
49, sir.
49. X to the power of 0 into 2 is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is
so
1.
1, sir.
49 into 1 is 49. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Remember that. Don't write 49x. 49x is wrong.
Yes.
Next question. Yeah, next question. The sum of two rational numbers. Which chapter is this? Do you all remember? Rational numbers.
So
Okay, for rational numbers, I've taught you all one method. What is that? Two blanks, right? Do you all remember that?
so yes. So
Like this, three blanks.
So in the middle there will be x. So
Yeah, in the second blank, it's always x. Remember this, 3 blanks. In second blank, always x, or the middle one is always x. Read out this, the sum of what? Somebody read out the question.
the two rational numbers.
Okay, for sum of two rational numbers. For sum, what do we use?
So plus. So
Plus.
Addition, sir.
Addition. Good. For the sum of two rational number is, what do you mean by is?
so
Is equal to, sir.
Is equal to. So where should I write minus 2 by 3?
So after is equal to.
After is equal to.
Yeah, remember this. Whenever is given, it is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Okay, then what's the second part of question? One of them is minus 8 by 5. Where should I write this one of them? Out of two blanks,
Sir,
one of them
Before x. So
Yes,
minus
one of them is 8.
8 by
Minus
5.
8.
And here it is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so find the other number. We don't know what the other number is. That's the reason we have taken it as x.
X.
So the other number is x. This is how we are supposed to let the other number be x. Which chapter is this? Equation?
so rational numbers.
No, simple linear equation. This part.
Yes, sir.
done, sir.
Okay, you have to find the unknown value x. How do you find x is equals to minus 2 by 3?
Sir, x is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 8 by 15.
This, correct. This entire thing goes to the other side. Minus 8 by 15 becomes plus 8 by 15.
Plus
Will
8
you
by
take LCM and do it later? Will you take LCM and do it later? All of you all
So yes.
take LCM and do this question later. Okay, next question. By what number should minus 3 by 4 be multiplied so that the product is minus 9 by 16? Same, keep 3 blanks like this. This is the method you'll have to do. And in second blank is always x. Okay, now read the question. By what number must minus 3 by 4 be? What is this? Multiplied. So for multiplied, what sign should I write in between?
multiplication, sir.
Into, sir, multiplication.
So that the product is, what do you mean by product? Product is the final answer. Product is minus 9 by 16. Okay, by what number should minus 3 by 4 be multiplied? So minus 3 by 4 should be multiplied by some number. That number we have taken it as x. By what number? Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay, try this question.
Done, sir. Sir, can I answer first?
Okay, yeah, answer this, DSP. I didn't ask you and Joanna, right? You, Joanna, and Mariam. Answer this.
Sir, yes, sir. So x is equal to minus 9 by 16 into minus 4 by 3, sir. Sir, I directly converted.
Okay, into, right? Multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Fine. If it goes there, how do you
It
convert it directly? 4. It's not 3 by 4. It is 4 by 3.
minus 4 by 3, sir.
Into minus 4 by 3. When multiplication goes that side, it becomes division. And the value is reciprocal.
Yes, sir. And then when we cancel it, 4 ones are, 4 fours are 16. And 3 ones are, 3 threes are 9, sir. So we get it as 3 by 4.
Minus into minus is plus 3 by 4.
Plus, so 3 by 4, yes.
So what's the other number? 3 by 4. Okay, by what number should be multiplied? Fine. Fourth main is done. How many mains left? 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll do that later. Tomorrow, if not, whenever we have time, we'll finish this. 3 by 4. X is equals to 3 by 4. Any doubts in this question? How to write the equation? Multiplication,
So no.
addition, subtraction?
No.
Fine. I'll upload this, students. I'll upload this. You can even share it to your friends.
Yes.
Stop the